Hi students, so today I'm gonna talk about our 14th chapter of Telangana State Board, most important questions and repeating questions. So the chapter is National Movements in India, Partition and Independence 1939 and 1947. Actually, this is our modern history of India when we get freedom from the Britishers. Okay, so it is not given in more in details, but whatever the happened from the 1939 to 1947, everything is about it. Okay, so this is the notes here, but we are going to see our important questions. So let's see the important questions here. Okay, so here we will see this is a practice questions. Okay, like you know that, and actually this is a repeating question only. Whatever the question, it's already come in your examination, so it is about that one. So this is a multiple choice question, MCQs. Here we will see the MCQ. Okay, so main objects of the day, direct actions, mass of learning. This is important because it have chances to come in the 4 marks. Okay, and here we will see 8th one and 9th, and this is a 10th one. After that, here the very short question answer is given here. Why did the British implement the principle of divide and rule? Actually, you know, our India is that time divided in the region. Every region is divided in every like particular king or queens ruled in there. Like Telangana is there, Bihar is there. Okay, Telangana CM and Bihar CM is different. Okay, region is also different. Okay, like that also in that time, if you take about Haryana and Punjab, best example it is, if British occupied Haryana, the Punjab people happy, oh they are not occupied with me. And Punjab, if British occupied Punjab, then UP will be happy. When UP occupied by the British, this East Indias like Bihar, Odisha, and these are happy, oh my god, it is over. But like that, it's divided and ruled. But right now our India is united. Anyone have not that much courage to right now it can be rule over us. Okay, but actually this is a lot of problem because right now also we are fighting for the region, language, and etc. It is not important things. We have to fight for the humans index, education, freedoms, etc. as we have to think about it. Okay, but let it be. So here is the 4th question. What are the consequences of direct action days? Okay, like exactly it is given. Okay, now here the second question, short question answer. What are the demands of the naval center strict communities? Okay, what is the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to mirroring? Actually, you know, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a great person of the 1947 time. In that time, it is a great person of 19s. Actually, in 19s, whatever the before that, whatever the politician of the 19s, they are the amazing, like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal. They are the amazing persons. Okay, and describing the quiet India movements. Okay, so you have to describe about it. This is important, I think. Always consider. Okay, you have to read this paragraph. Okay, this is our Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a princely state that time. Right now it is our Telangana part. Actually, that it was under the Nizams. Okay, I hope you know about the Nizams and they are forcing to do not learn Telugu and something. I hope you will know. I hope you know well about it. But let it be. Right now we both living together and Charminar. You know about it is the 4 pillars of our regions. Okay. So I hope this chapter is totally completed and whatever the question is there, I already showed to you. In the next video, I will talk about the next chapter, and if you have any doubt, you just leave a comment and we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.